Good evening, everybody. This is Mr. Arcero, and we logged off and we're in our first session for open house. And ordinarily, I would be standing right at these front doors, welcoming everybody. I would have my table set up here outside the office and chatting folks up as they come and playing traffic cop here, directing people. The halls are really quiet. Walking by the classrooms, you may have seen me pop in to some of the meets, just me and the cleaning crew here. And just know that we really miss you guys. And it may sound strange because a third of you I haven't met, but I want you to know it is not the same without the lifeblood of our school, and that's you guys, our parents. So we do appreciate the folks that took the time to come out tonight and log on and see teachers, meet some smiling faces. But again, if you weren't here, if you couldn't make it tonight, the good news is parent-teacher conferences, that's October 13th and the 20th, are live and in person because they're scheduled and there is a steady flow of traffic that can be contact traced because they are done by appointment as opposed to welcoming what would have been with faculty shy of 400 people. So, we do appreciate everybody's patience with the venue virtually tonight for open house, but know that we are super excited and I can't wait to see you right here at the doorway and welcome you to the beach personally, live and in Memorex. So thank you to everybody that came out tonight. We really appreciate it. Any questions, remember, we are always here. Just a phone call, email, or a click away. Thanks everybody for making tonight a successful virtual venture, and we're looking forward to seeing folks in a couple of weeks at parent-teacher conferences. Stay tuned and check your child's class tag account for additional details coming. Thanks, everybody. Have a good evening.